Like displacement, let us now find the velocity of piston. We have taken the notation of velocity of piston to be Vp. So now we are trying to find Vp, like how we have found xp. Now velocity of piston is nothing but the rate of change of displacement of the piston. Rate of change of displacement of piston is Vp. We can write Vp mathematically as rate of change of displacement of piston. D by dt is the rate of change of displacement is xp. Now dxp by dt, if you go to this equation number 2 where we have found xp, you can see easily that it is in terms of theta. R and n are constant. The length of crank is constant and n is nothing but L by R. L is also constant. The only variable is theta. But now Vp, to find Vp we have to differentiate xp in terms of t. So we don't have this in terms of t. So using chain rule, I can write this as dxp by d theta, because as you are seeing from equation 2, I can differentiate this with respect to theta, into d theta by dt. This will be equal to d by dt of xp. So this is called chain rule. Now I know this is d theta by dt. D theta by dt is omega. So I am writing this as omega into d by d theta of xp. Now we have equation xp in terms of theta. So from equation 2, I am substituting what xp is, omega into d by d theta of, I am writing this xp here, which is r into 1 minus cos theta plus r into n minus root over n square minus sin square theta. Now since omega has nothing to do with differentiation, this is always here. So once you differentiate, you have, if I am opening up this bracket, it becomes r minus r cos theta. R is a constant. So d by d theta of r will be 0. So 0 minus d by d theta of cos theta. D by d theta of cos theta is minus sin theta. So this term differentiation with respect to theta is over. Plus, now coming to the second, d by d theta of r into n. Both of them are constant, so that is also again 0. We have a minus here, put it here. D by d theta of r into root over n square minus sin square theta. It is nothing but differentiation of a constant into one variable. So here this will come outside. So we will have 1 by 2 root over n square minus sin square theta. Again this is not simply theta, this is sin theta, so I have to differentiate this sin square theta. So it is minus over here, so I have to put a minus 2 into sin theta. Again d by d theta of sin theta is cos theta. So this is by our simple maths of intermediate level. So this will be our omega into, since I have this r as constant, this must have come out. So this will be r, this r I have to take. So again here also there is an r, this r is there, we have differentiated only this term. So I am taking this r outside, so we have sin theta minus of minus is plus 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta by 2 into root over n square minus sin square theta. So this is the expression for Vp. Now because this looks complex, let us look into how to simplify it further. As we are seeing, this is sin square theta, and we know that since N is nothing but L by R, and naturally L is greater than R because this is the length of connecting rod will be definitely more than the length of the crank. So N is equal to L by R. So since the numerator is greater than denominator, N is definitely greater than 1. So naturally N square will be large compared to the term sin square theta, because sin theta itself is 1. Between this minus 1 to 1 there are all decimals. As you square it, it further gets down. So since n is greater than 1, this n square will be larger compared to the sin square theta. So therefore, in the expression of Vp in denominator of the second term, we have under root n square minus sin square theta. So we are saying that since this is much larger compared to this particular term, I am neglecting sin square theta. I am putting it down towards 0 so that your denominator root over n square minus sin square theta can be written as simply root over n square or simply n. So this will further simplify our expression for velocity of piston as omega r into sin theta plus sin 2 theta by small n into 2. This 2 is there here. So let this be equation number 3. This is the velocity of piston.